buddy, gaming fans. David just wrecked my intro. David just wrecked my intro. So, we're gonna make a chicken farm. David, TP me over there. David, TP. David. Make it so I can TP too. Oh, this is the perfect place. This chicken.
We just need to flatten it a bit.
2, 3, 4.
Whoa! I've got almost 2 stacks of oak wood.
This middle part I'm gonna replace with hoppers, but for now it doesn't need to be that big. I can always expand it. No, I'll just leave it. No, I need it smaller because it's gonna be like, I don't know, maybe a 1x1 to start. We can always make an automatic chicken cooker. So it's gonna be like 2x2. Damn it! I wish I had an axe.
Oh, Zach's online.
Yeah, cool. Go check out Zach's channel. Z-Buddy Gaming. Z-Buddy Gaming. Z-Buddy Gaming. Z-Buddy Gaming. So, chicken farm. Check.
I'm almost done destroying my house.
Cool. Well, I'm making the base of our 1x1 noob chicken farm. What do you think of it, David? 1.
I'm just gonna, okay, so anyways guys, if you haven't caught this yet, I'm moving into Brennan's house, except we're just gonna expand it.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to
So I'm just gonna make a little bit of a storage space quickly for me. I need to put some stuff away.
David, can you please make me like an axe or something?
Can't you make your own?
No, because I'm making the chicken farm.
Okay.
This is gonna be a very crowded
there's a
chicken
crafting
farm.
table on my ruined house.
Yeah, I know. I don't have any supplies to make
Oh,
one.
never mind.
All I can do is make a wooden axe. So can you make it so I can like quickly get over there? I'm not sure if you guys consider it cheating. It's not having to run everywhere. It's just more efficient. But eventually we're gonna get a minecart system, so we won't have to worry about like TPing and crap. It just takes a long time. But yeah, I got my chicken farm going, sorta. And I will make it an automated chicken farm once I learn how. Like, I know the idea.
Dude,
Okay.
I need you to come back to your house. Oh, okay.
I don't care where you
Don't
go.
be there. You need to sleep.
Okay. I need my iron. I'm pretty sure it's done. Yes, it is.
I'm just doing this for now, Brennan. You can just peek at me through your cup.
I need an iron axe. This is just taking too long. So how do I need hoppers. I might be able to make it 2x2.
Go to sleep. Go to
I'm
sleep.
figuring out how to make hoppers. Oh, I need a chest. Okay. Yeah, this shouldn't be too hard, actually. It shouldn't be that hard to make. It's actually pretty basic, hoppers. And I can only make 1 hopper for now. Redstone. I'll just make 1 hopper and just get this chicken farm going right now. And David, I need...
put my chest down into that little room.
I need a chest, David. I need a chest. Because... Do you know...
I can make you one quickly.
Yeah, make me a chest and then TP over to me and get it.
Here.
No,
It's going to be beside your crafting table.
No, I need you to bring it to me.
Oh, okay, a minute.
I think this is how you direct a hopper. Don't yell at me if I'm a noob. I don't usually do this redstone stuff. I'm pretty sure that's
Hey, Brandon, we should do a special for a triple episode tonight.
a triple. Triple?
So that's 5 episodes in one night, God.
So,
But we're just filling in for the weekend and stuff, so yeah. 'Cause I probably can't record on the weekend. My grandparents are here.
okay, well, David, can you please
Yeah?
bring the chest already?
I'm here.
Good.
God,
Like,
don't
it's
mind.
not that hard to bring a chest. Okay, where is it? You. Okay.
I can hop parkour. God.
Cool. Okay, I need to place the
I've got 4 bones.
This is going to be our basic chicken farm. And we will get basic chickens. Yes.
Hey, you know what we should do?
What?
We should start an adventure series where we play in adventure mode.
This is... Yeah, but we need to get, like, a wood.
But we start out with all the wooden tools.
Yeah. David,
How does that
can
sound?
you make me, like, maybe 10-ish ladders?
10 what?
10 ladders? Like, maybe...
No.
Did I get this hopper working? I need to test the hopper.
What am I? Your lab rat?
I'm testing the hopper. Does the hopper work?
I'm your lab rat.
Oh my god! I actually
It
did
works?
it. Yeah, because I need a bunch of ladders. Okay,
Why don't you just try
David,
an apple?
if this doesn't work, I'm kind of screwed. Oh wait, I need to make the walls higher. Chickens can jump pretty high. Can't chickens like jump 2 blocks or something?
There, I just made you
In
15
15
ladders
minutes, you're gonna stop and
stuff
eat
in a
some
chest.
No, I can eat one of mine.
banana.
But I can. It's a basic chicken farm. It's an actually basic but decent chicken farm. Dude, I need the ladders quick. I seriously need the
I'm on my way.
not having ladders is actually causing me a lot of problems.
Oh yeah, by the way, we're probably gonna have to start hunting soon.
No, we won't.
I'm running low on meat.
Hence the chicken farm.
Oh yeah. We should also make a cow farm.
No, dude, this is an advanced chicken farm-ish thing. I have an iron
Here,
axe
I'll
because
make my own cow farm, and you make a special.
I need
farm
ladders.
for your chickens.
Did you bring
Oh,
me
here.
ladders? Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. I solved my problem. This is actually a pretty decent chicken farm.
I forgot about my lapis lazuli.
Lapis lazuli. I don't know how we didn't get any lapis.
Oh, I've got wheat seeds, by the way.
Cool, then we can catch chickens. Lapis lazuli.
Okay, I finally destroyed my house in a couple of days. That took a little while.
Okay.
Now, time to go build. Go.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot I have mushroom stew.
No, I like chicken.
This will be my prized possession, mushroom stew.
I like,
Actually, I have 2 mushroom stews. You
I
want
like
one?
chicken. Chicken. I like the chicken. This doesn't
You want a
spawn
mushroom
any
stew?
chicken. Chicken. Yes! I spawned a chicken. David,
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Can you get me some glass?
Oh, I can't, because I have no sand.
God damn it, David. You're supposed to help me.
You can get your own. I'm not your maid.
Seems like it. Okay, so oh my god, that was an extra long episode, but we got the chicken farm! How many likes can we get for that? So that was part 7. Hope you guys enjoyed. That was an awesome episode. See you guys later.